Hello students, warm welcome to video learning lecture. My name is Aashish Gohel. Today I will be teaching you shortcut for integration and this is part 2. Now, today we will be solving the technique partial fraction. Yes, you have listened it very correctly, partial fraction and shortcut. This is mismatching. Yes, I know. But stay connected. Listen. If I will be given this question, then the traditional method is very long, we know that, but if you are solving this question for some competitive examinations like JEE, GUJCET or any other competitive examination, be it SET is there, NATA is there, so this will take much longer time, but I will teach you the shortcut technique for this question. So let's get started. Here we are given x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So, first thing, this 3 must be factorized in linear terms. Okay? So, here, for the first term, if I put x minus 1 is equal to 0, I will get x is equal to 1. And that value will put everywhere. So, here 1 plus 3 divided by, this will skip. Here 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, then log of the term which you have put is equal to 0. Then next, positive sign. Here if I put 0 for x minus 2, it will be 2. So now we will put 2 wherever we see x by skipping this term. So 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3, then log of this term, that is x minus 2. Then again, if I put 0 over here, then x is equal to 3. So, 3 plus 3 divided by here 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, then log of x minus 3 plus c. We can simplify this question like 4. Here minus 1 minus 2 and that will give you 2 log of x minus 1. Plus here 5 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 log x minus 2. Here plus 6, 3 minus 1 is 2 and this is 1. So log x minus 3 plus c. Here is your answer. Isn't it very shortcut technique and the short one which will take less time? Yes, so you can apply this method for any kind of competitive examination. Let us take another example of the same question. Yes, so here we are given 2x plus 3 divided by x square minus 1, x minus 4. Now, as I told you earlier that whatever factors are there in denominator, that factors must be linear one. Only then you can apply this procedure, otherwise not. So, the first thing we will do is we will factorize this. So, we will get 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1, x plus 1, the factors of x square minus 1, x minus 4 dx. Now we are with the format. So we can follow the same procedure. We will put x is equal to 1 for this term. So put x is equal to 1, 2 plus 3. Skip this term. Here we will get 2. Here we will get minus 3. Then log of x minus 1. Then next we will put x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if I put x plus 1 is equal to 0, then we will get minus 1, so 2 into minus 1 plus 3, here minus 1 minus 2, and here if I put minus 1, then we will get minus 5. So log x plus 1. Here x minus 4 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 4. So if I put x is equal to 4 over here, 2 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 1, that is 3, 4 plus 1, that is 5. Log of x minus 4. So you can simplify these questions by adding subtraction and then it will be your last answer. Isn't it very interesting? Yes. So you can apply this method to verify your answer, or you can apply this method in any competitive examination. I hope all of you understand this method very well. So please do share this video with your classmates. Stay connected, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you so much.